Hey loves, it's Jean, your daily dose of light and real talk.
Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to my space. So, as I always say, the reading is timeless. Um, this is going to be applicable to you at the time when you encounter this video. This message will be for you. And maybe you can also check out your sun, moon, rising, because that will be also important for your signs. Because this may not resonate for every Scorpio out there. So take what's resonating and leave the rest for others. Okay, so I will be doing the Celtic Cross for you. It's an overview of what's going on in your present situation, and somehow it will give you an advice of what you're gonna do. um, okay, so this is your current energy, the Eight of Swords, and the challenge is the Page of Cups. So this is telling me na meron kang kinaka-stress na medyo you've been overthinking about a certain situation which probably involves a certain person na you're connecting with. So maybe you are crushing someone, baka meron kang gusto at, yan ang iyong ino-overthink sa ngayon. So, siguro parang, nag-iisip ka na, "Gusto kaya ako nitong taong 'to?" Bakit parang, hindi mo maintindihan kung ano ang inyong connection. Okay. Because in the recent past, actually ang ganda naman ng, Seven of Wands. This is you very much able to defeat all your challenges. Sa recent past, nagawa mo naman lahat ng mga dapat mong gawin when it comes to your work, to your activities, sa school, okay ka naman. Now, in your past foundation is the Three of Pentacles. Maybe you are working with some people. This is building something. So baka meron kayong kini-create na activity, something na pinag-uusapan ninyo, pinagpaplanuhan ninyo. At maybe ang pinaplano ninyo is about travel. Kasi on your mind is the Chariot. So this is a travel card. Maybe you are thinking of having a vacation, siguro, planning for your holidays. So, Scorpio, I think baka iniisip mong magkasama kayo netong si Crush. Kasi start pa lang ito ng new relationship. Hindi pa talaga siguro nanliligaw but or hindi mo pa nililigawan pero type mo na. Although in the near future is the Seven of Swords. So ibig sabihin, kailangan mong dumiskarte. Do something sa mga bagay na talagang gustong-gusto mo, kailangan mo ng gumawa ng paraan. Minsan kasi merong mga opportunity na magbubukas para sa atin pero hindi natin pinapansin. But this time, kailangan mong kumilos. Kasi minsan, ang Seven of Swords kasi is pag hindi ka pa talaga kumilos ngayon, baka maunahan ka pa ng ibang tao. Masiraan ka pa, di ba? So dapat gawan mo na ng paraan yan. Kung talagang yan ang gusto mo. Let's say lang, may crush ka, type na type mo na, gustong-gusto mo talaga siya. Wala ka namang ginagawa, hindi naman niya alam na crush mo siya. So paano, hanggang do'n na lang 'yon. So, kailangan mo na talagang dumiskarte. Be an emperor. This is you. You should be very firm and talagang sigurado ka dun sa gusto mong mangyari. Let's say liligawan ko na talaga 'to. Gustong-gusto ko talaga 'tong taong 'to. O kung babae ka naman, hindi ka naliligaw, puwede mo namang sabihin, kailangan maramdaman niya na puwede akong ligawan, I'm welcoming, love into my life. So, do something that can make this person feel that you're also attracted to him. And, in your, final outcome is the Page of Pentacles. So, looks like may mangyayari 'pag kumilos ka. Hindi po puwedeng, petik-petik lang, kailangan kumilos para may aksyon na mangyari. Para kung talagang gusto mong maging kayo na, magiging kayo talaga. You just really need to go out of your comfort zone. So kung let's say babae ka na talagang hinding-hindi ka talaga nagpapakita ng motivation, ng motibo, hindi ko naman sinasabing talagang sumobra ka naman ng pagpapakita, but just open lines of communication. Diskarte nga ang sinasabi ko para hindi ka nasi-stress kasi parang, nag-iisip ka ngayon, naku, parang hindi naman ako type nito, eh, looks like type ka rin naman nitong taong 'to. So, maybe kailangan mo na talagang dumiskarte dahil baka may pagka-torpe si kuya. So, let's clarify the Seven of Swords, yang diskarte. Ano bang ibig sabihin yang diskarte na yan? Ano bang puwede mong gawin? So kung ikaw yung lalaki, maybe kailangan mo ng magpa-cute. Now, Four of Swords, maybe you are healing. Siguro kailangan mo ng, i-set aside yung mga bagay na nangyari sa atin from the past kasi siguro hindi makapasok ang mga bagong blessings, mga bagong manliligaw o mga bagong mamahalin mo because you are still showing pain. Baka nakikita pa ito ng mga, tao sa paligid mo na you're still healing. So, maybe kailangan mo na siyang i-set aside, kailangan mo ng i-release yung mga nakatusok sa puso mo, yung mga espada na nakatusok sa puso mo, kailangan mo ng i-release, iakyat mo na lahat 'yan kasi wala namang ibang, puwedeng gawin kundi to heal. Although alam ko napakahirap because I've been there, pero ang pinakasolusyon lang natin dito is just focus on yourself. It's the only way to heal. Love yourself, focus on yourself. Mag-ayos ka, magpaganda ka, magpagwapo ka, mag-exercise ka, do something that benefits your mind, your body, and your spirit. So ibig sabihin yan, mind, magbasa ka ng magagandang article, something that can help you, self-help books. Yun namang body is yung exercise, meditation, pwede ding active meditation, like I do I can dance pero nagme-meditate ako noon. That's active meditation. No? Kasi 'di ba may mga taong nahihirapan sila mag-meditate but because naiinip, because yung nakaganyan lang, merong mga taong hindi um fit sa mga ganyan, naiinip sila. So, you can do active meditation. There are so many ways. And spirit, that is your relationship to God, your connection, that's your spirit, parang nino-nourish mo lang ang iyong soul. Para, how do you do that? That's, praying in your own way, sa kwarto mo, kahit saan, talking to Him, telling Him everything, what you want, what you manifest, what you want to manifest. So, that way, you are going to heal. Yan lang ang paraan para mag-heal. Hindi nakaka-heal ang rebound, hindi nakaka-heal ang bagong relationship. Ang nakaka-heal is ikaw mismo muna magsimula sa sarili mo. Mahalin mo muna ang sarili mo before you let anyone come into your life. Now siguro yun ang sinasabi dito, that's why you are now, feeling trapped in this situation. Kasi nandiyan ka ngayon, eh, para kang nakakulong, parang feeling mo hindi ka makaalis-alis, dito na ang higpit-higpit na puro na lang problema, challenges, magkabila, maya't-maya challenge dito, challenge do'n. Well, it's because you are still inside that, cocoon na puro nakatusok. Now, kailangan mo ng lumabas diyan. Nasa sa'yo naman kung papaano lumabas dahil unang-una, walang nakakulong, nasa likod mo ang rehas. Pangalawa, yang tali, hindi naman tali yan, that's just tissue paper na nakaikot sa'yo at puwedeng-puwede mong alisin talaga yung, tali na yan, pati ang iyong piring sa mata. You can always remove that. Nasa sa'yo talaga. And how do you remove that? Dahil first of all, love yourself. How do you love yourself? Sabi ko nga, nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Yun lang ang technique. And then after that, you will be unblocking your heart chakra, you will be welcoming love into your life. Magugulat ka na lang, marami ng admirers na lalapit sa'yo, Scorpio, ha? So, let me before I proceed, kukuha lang kita ng mystery card. And itong mystery card na to, ito ay babasahin natin later. I'll put it under Coco. So, siya muna ang bahala dyan sa yung mystery card. So, let's clarify your Eight of Swords. Bakit ba, ano ba tong kinaka-stress mo na parang feeling mo naiipit ka, natatrap ka dyan. Your present situation, Eight of Swords, is clarified by the Queen of Swords. So, that's the problem. hindi mo makita ang liwanag ng path na dinadaanan mo because you're blindfolded, 'di ba? So the Queen of Swords kasi is clarity. At sabi nga niya, okay, malinaw na ang daan. Let's proceed. Kaso hindi ka makaproceed. But sa totoo lang, the spirits are telling you, you can already proceed. You're now ready to welcome new love into your life. Ikaw lang ang ayaw mong umalis dyan sa tali na yan. Okay, so let's clarify the Page of Cups. So eto, sabi ko nga, maybe may crush kang tao, maybe you want someone, at meron ding tao may gusto sa'yo. Ang problema, hindi kayo magka-andar-andar. Pareho kayong na-trap, pareho kayong na ano sa traffic, slowing down. Chariot sabi, let's move na. This is the fastest moving energy. So, ibig sabihin talagang gustong-gusto ko rin naman itong taong 'to. Alam naman din niya siguro na gusto mo rin siya. You are both attracted to each other. It's just that ikaw siguro ang merong konting, teka, teka lang, ganyan. Because you're guarded. Siguro kasi ayaw mo ng masaktan. Nakikita ko kasi na maaaring naka-receive ka ng, matinding, heartache in the past. At, you're still guarded at hindi ka pa talaga nakaka-recover doon sa nangyari. There was, cheating before, lying, kaya ikaw ganyan. Hindi rin kita masisisi. Siyempre iniingatan mo na ang sarili mo ngayon dahil nasaktan ka na at ayaw mo ng masaktan ulit. But this time parang sinasabi sa akin Scorpio, this person might be the one for you kasi ang outcome natin is the Page of Pentacles. So this is a person who's bringing abundance. So, ibig sabihin, may dalang happiness. Maganda ang hatid nitong taong 'to. The intention is good, 'di ba? Sa secrets mo nga, family, the Ten of Cups. So, ibig sabihin, this might be the person na inaantay mo na maaaring maging, kasama mo sa buhay habang buhay, 'di ba? So, this might be a Cancer or an Aries, malalakas kasi yung energy na 'yan. Okay, so let's clarify the um, Page of Pentacles in your outcome. Page of Pentacles in your outcome. It's clarified by the Five of Pentacles. So, ayun talaga, takot ka talagang maiwan. Pero ang sabi dito, oh, hindi na ako mag-aantay, ayoko na, wala na akong inaantay dun sa taong nag-betray sa akin, dun sa taong um, bigay sa akin ng pain, problema, hindi ko na kailangan antayin yung taong 'yan. Aalis na lang ako dito kasi nalumpo na ako kaantay, ang lamig-lamig. So, I'm leaving this place. And that is you na nandito, na nakakulong. So, dito finally, you're moving forward. Siguro after mong marinig etong sinasabi ko sa'yo ngayon, bigla mong sasabihin, "Okay, that's it. I'm moving forward. That's it. Ayoko na. I am letting go." No? So sana 'yan ang, sabihin mo because talagang tinutulak ka na talaga ng spirit guides mo to move because there is someone coming in, someone new coming into your life at kailangan mo na talagang um, kailangan mo na talagang umalis dito sa pagkakakulong mo at tanggalin ang lahat ng blockage sa puso mo to welcome this new person. Okay, so Scorpio, at this point, I will be getting the mystery card. The mystery card is, nako, at the back of the deck is the King of Swords pa. The King of Swords, ang center ng reading natin is the Queen of Swords. So itong dalawang to ay match made in heaven. So most probably, itong partner mo na kina-crush mo, na gustong-gusto mo, talagang meant for you. Kasi match yan parehong swords, king and queen. So same suit. So maybe kayo na talaga, inaantay lang talaga ikaw ng universe na umalis diyaan sa entrapment mo. You really need to tanggalin mo na yung takot mo, yung fear mo na maloloko ka. This time, hindi. You've learned your lesson. Ang dami mo nang na-experience before. Naloko ka na. So, ngayon, hindi ka na magpapaloko, di ba? Alam mo na kung ano yung style. No more yung mga gaslighting na yan. Hindi na. You've been there. So, ghosting, wala, hindi ka na papayag na magganyan ulit because now you value yourself na. Yung self-worth, alam mo na this time hindi ko nakakayaan yung sarili kong masaktan. Kasi mahal mo na ang sarili mo. Kasi yun yung sinabi ko sa'yo. You are only going to heal if you love yourself first. 'Di ba? Paulit-ulit kong sasabihin, unahin mo muna ang sarili mo para malaman mo ang value mo, you need to love yourself first by nourishing your mind, body, and spirit. Ha, Scorpio? So the mystery card is the lovers. O, di ba? So, ano pa bang sasabihin natin? Very clear na this is about a love reading to you, Scorpio. Actually, hindi ko naman talaga sinabing love reading ang gagawin ko. Sabi ko lang sa spirit guides, tell me about Scorpio, what they need to know, what they need to realize at this point. So maybe the spirit guides are telling you now to release that baggage and then welcome new love into your life by first loving yourself, knowing your self-worth, knowing what you deserve because natuto ka na sa mga lessons na nangyari sa'yo in the past. Okay? So, thank you, Scorpio. I hope you resonated. Just comment down below pagka meron kang gustong tanungin or if you have resonated, just tell me. I will gladly reply to your comments. Thank you and have a nice week.
Hey loves, it's Jean, your daily dose of light and real talk.